Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can promote Clickbank products on TikTok. So first off, we want to log in into our account, and I'm also going to show you a little trick which I do, which makes your links more clickable. Okay, so after we've logged in into our account, we want to click on the affiliate marketplace and we want to decide on a product. I'm going to swiftly just take something as an example that doesn't require verification. So let's do ProDentum. You want to click on promote, right? You want to write your nickname account. So mine is Nednom, and then you create a hop link. This should be already known. This is the link which people, when they click it, they will go through your account. So if they make a purchase, you get the commission, right? This is the link which people need to click and order from in order for you to get the commission. Okay, so this link does not look really appealing. What I do instead is I use Bitly link manager right here. You want to register an account with Bitly and you get the option to create up to 50 custom URLs, shortened URLs. So if I click on create new link right here and destination, this is my link, right? The big link. Click next. And you can create a custom back half of the link. So my custom back half is, for example, become lean. And if people go to bit.ly/become lean, they will be taken to this link right here. They won't have to click on this big sussy link. They can just go through bit.ly/become lean. This makes your links way more clickable. Trust me. Okay, so what can we do now with this link bit.ly/become lean? Well, essentially whatever you feel like. Here's where your creativity comes into play. If you're not creative, you can just rip videos off the internet, upload them, tag them as yours. You could get into some trouble, but hey, the decision is yours. I'm not gonna judge. Or if you're creative and you think of video ideas, titles, you do everything yourself, you will be free of copyright essentially. So this is the channel on which I upload, right? So this is my YouTube, or not my YouTube channel, my TikTok channel. And as you can see, you upload
5 weight loss facts everyone should know.
I uploaded this video, 5 weight loss facts everyone should know, and it got some traction, like 500 views. From this, we got a few clicks, no purchases unfortunately, but this is the fundamental of how you promote products on TikTok. So by having a more clickable link, people will be, well, more willing to click on it or type it in their search bars, and that way you get the chance to earn commissions. So essentially what I did, 5 weight loss facts everyone should know, and I put my link in the video itself. As you can see right here, this is my pre-edited link. So that is how you do it. Essentially just create TikTok videos, you put the link, and when people go through it and they purchase something, you earn a commission because that link is being tracked back to you. So people make a purchase, you earn the commission money. So that is how you promote videos on TikTok. It is very simple. I hope this was useful. Make sure you like and sub, and I'll see you next time.